Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Toya
and Poppy
and
Science.
all
Science.
right. So Poppy, what are we doing today?
So guys, today we are do a challenge. Taya, I don't know which part I should research this and come up with this idea. So we are gonna do a what's in your mouth challenge.
What's in your mouth challenge? So we just got through eating. We went to a restaurant, had some food, and it just popped up in my head, and I was like, you know what? How about we do this challenge, right? So we decided to come to Walmart. So how it works, we're gonna get 5 items. We're gonna go separate ways once we get inside Walmart. He's gonna find 5 food items and I'm gonna do the same. We're not gonna show each other what we got or whatever. And then we're gonna head on home and drop this challenge. Guys, I know you're gonna love it. Right, Poppy?
Straight. I'm kinda picky with my food, so I don't really like things in my mouth, so I don't know how this is gonna work out, but
I think it's gonna be fun.
so and it have to be things that we never eat before.
Well, I mean, we can eat it before, but I'm gonna try to find things that you've never had before. I don't know what you gonna do.
Well guys, just pray for me upon that one. See me I say. But big up the pop stars them, you see me I say? Big up the pop stars. If you're not yet subscribed to Poppy Show, make sure you subscribe to Poppy Show. We want big up our members them as well.
Yes.
The Trending Boss family, TR Show, Nicola Pitt, Full of Attitude, big up on yourself. Guys.
Oh, and Black Bear.
Yeah.
She's our newest member.
Definitely for real. I don't even remember what I go on for real. Yeah, Black Bear.
At least I get long, guys.
Big up yourself, Carmelita.
Oh, and also, before I forget, because every time I do a video I forget, I want to big up Bonnie in Cayman.
Yeah.
Yes, Bonnie. Big up yourself, my youth. You don't know you've been supporting Poppy Show from day one.
Straight.
Share out the video them at Cayman. We respect that. Big up yourself, my youth.
Big up yourself, Bonnie. Big up yourself. So,
yeah.
Guys, as I said, I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm very picky with my food. You understand? I shall find things I not even never taste before. Must be a reason why I never taste it. I must not like them the food. So, I don't know. Just go and pray for me, guys. Big up on yourself and
yeah, man.
Stick around.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What are go on with?
So, we're back home, guys.
We're there again, guys. You don't know, but I have to sort out Poppy. Oh, let me tell you scared of you a married man.
Let's get into the challenge. Oh, Taya, I can't go on with our service, guys.
No, but in a lie. Look how long we should have done the video. Anyways, guys, we are back. And Mr. Poppy just go on like say, you know?
Like one.
Like you think we want looking at your bag.
Guys, she try her hardest for looking at
Me no want looking at your bag.
looking at my bag.
Oh, please.
So guys, I have my green tea, well, little left.
Do you carry green tea?
I have my water. I don't know what she want.
So give me one of them. I not have none for drink just in case.
Maybe,
Oh, you still so bad?
Maybe you don't feel like you want something for drink. If you want something for drink, you can borrow something. I might need the 2 of them, guys. So.
Who first? Who gonna go first?
No. Ladies first.
Ladies first?
Yeah.
You sure? Alright guys, so I'm gonna have the blindfold here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on Poppy. And do not try to look underneath it, Alright, let me see what we're gonna start with. Alright. Let's start off with
Like in a bag, you tea or something.
No,
I can't see nothing.
Alright.
What me have to eat it? Or
You must
spit it out?
eat it. You have to eat it.
For
And
real?
swallow it, yes. Alright. So open your mouth. All the way. Eat it.
Let it go. Come on.
Just eat it.
I'm going to clean your half. A donut?
What kind of donut?
Like a powder donut or something?
Yes, you got it right. Alright guys, he got that right. That was powdered donuts.
I'm not right donut, guys. See, put me half.
Oh, wicked. Alright, I'll put my own blindfold on. difference to make?
You can't, but me have to fix it. Check thing, but you have to put down for your
Alright. I can't see anything.
Guys, I don't like donut.
Alright, come on. So, it's tight, man. Sure.
Alright.
Dun, 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 dun. Box are open. Lord Jesus. Guys, if this is something that look right, scream out. Okay.
Alright. But not even go too hard for you. I'm just going to give her a little bit, guys. Guys, unlike she, you know, going like say she want to make me choke.
Honey, that was a small donut. Come on.
Alright, open.
Honey, this is oats. Dry oats. Oats?
Yeah.
This is no matter, man. Honey, really give me, honey. Guys, when I said we go to Walmart a while ago, and I spent $33. Poppy never spent $5 at Walmart. You're wicked.
No, guys.
No, honey.
Me know what me I get. She don't know what she buy for $30.
I just need dry oats. Yes, sir. Honey, you owe me. You need to give me back some of that money there, because that don't make no sense.
Which money?
Because you maybe spend $33 and you never spend $5 at Walmart, you can't look for other things in other house.
You never give me a budget. So why not buy something there already?
But we were supposed to get 5 things at Walmart.
Yeah, but I say what's there and that, but they want to give me a mess, so I buy it for it there.
Alright, cool. You owe me. Alright.
Honey, nobody pull up my water on me, carry it.
My next one is...
Alright guys, I not even know why you can't get taste bad already.
Alright. Open your mouth. Chew it up.
Oh, what is this?
What is that?
It's like some spicy Cheetos.
Ew. Oh, you know.
Why me don't know? Ah.
Oh, some spicy Cheetos, guys.
I don't like that. Hold on, Zazie.
So I didn't want none of this. It's spicy. Really spicy.
It's too spicy, Zazie. We can try it here.
It's gonna burn you, baby. It's spicy. Although Zane afraid of spice, anyways. Alright, my turn now?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a tie so far, guys.
Tie, I mean, I lead 2-1. What do you mean tie?
Well, let's have a bit of tie, guys. Because I'm doing good so far.
Should I get no more?
Alright.
You doing good so far?
Doing good so far. I'm really like bakla open. Honey, hurry up, no man.
Hold on, my girl. I'm not even give a wooly. I'm not wicked like her, guys.
Honey, but me no wicked. Me give you a small donut.
No. You stuff up my mouth with the donut.
Ready?
Yeah. Open.
Wide?
Just open. Alright. Yeah. Eat now?
Hmm?
And that is income, baby.
What is? Oh! Me know what?
What?
Oh my god.
2-1, guys. 2-1.
No. I know what it is. Damn. It's dressing. Like,
No, I don't want to do that.
French dressing.
Okay, go put it down.
French dressing?
Is that your final answer?
Yes. What is it? Mustard. No, sir.
So Saying, listen.
Well, honey, you're smart. You find things for use in my house. I really like mustard. It made it feel like it was like the Italian, you know, the one that we buy where you say you put to make gravy.
Okay.
I thought that's what it was. All right, your turn.
All right, 2-1. You know?
All right, 2-1, guys. All right.
Can't wait for this done, guys. My fret every time I have to go eat something.
How much we get already? 2? All right, so 3 more left. All right. Guys, this one, I don't know if you can see it. All right.
What that sounds like?
Don't worry about it, man.
It sounds like a yogurt.
Okay. Open your mouth. Open wide.
I don't want you to give me enough.
Open wide. What's that?
Sour cream.
Final answer?
It's like a dip.
Never tell me. I don't know. You ask me, you tell me which one.
Well, guys, I don't even know. I can just swallow it. I never want that still in my mouth. Sour cream dip. Sour cream.
Okay. It was French onion dip.
Someone said dip.
You ever tell me what kind of dip?
Guys,
No.
You said dip.
There's different kinds of dips.
But
You
I'm
have to
never
tell
know
me
say
dip.
French onion dip like
I don't
the
care.
specific
No,
dip, guys.
No, you have to say French onion dip.
But I'm never know it like perfect like French
And then you
onion
say
dip.
yogurt. So you're not even.
No, I'm say open like I'm say it sound like a yogurt share open, guys. You understand?
No.
Why? That one that cheap, guys. Comment down below if you don't think I forget that one. I said dip. And she treat me
you
shout
have to
out
say
about
what
French
kind.
onion
There's different
dip.
kinds of dip.
So you just say oats, so you never say Fosca oats. Right guys, she said oats. I'm just work with it.
I want oats there. If I don't have Fosca,
No, you have Quakers.
If I don't have Fosca, not oats.
Share teeth me, guys. Share teeth me.
Alright, come.
That's our 3-1.
No!
Alright, 2-1 still. But I only 2. When I get 2 I won, then when I get the first.
Okay, I guess that's still 2.
Yeah,
Alright.
2-1.
Okay, ready.
And at 3 you gone already, I'm gone 2. Hold on, baby. Hold on, Zion. Saying we're shooting a video, baby. Open. Right here.
Can I do it?
What the heck is this?
Zion.
Hey,
Come, we're shooting a video.
what is this?
Zion.
Oh, I can't swallow this. Oh my god. Okay, this has to be like some baby food.
You have to tell me the exact one, you know? Okay.
Okay, this is chicken.
The exact baby food. That's your final answer?
Chicken baby food.
Okay. Carrot, zucchini, and broccoli.
Ugh,
Okay. You
that's
see?
terrible.
You see? She thief, guys. You see? I'll come back to it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get you with this one. Guys, watch out for that one, yeah.
So that's what? 3-3. We're going 3-3 and I'm 2-1.
Come.
So I don't want any, baby. Can you go wash this off at the 5?
A pie is this?
Alright, come.
I missed it. Let me do.
What's it down?
Go wash it off, Zion.
Can I wash it off?
Next one, guys. Then, alright, go wash that off.
Honey, you don't have to give me so much, my girl. Come in and kill you with so much.
My youth.
John.
I'll kill it with nothing. Never taste so bad. Alright, you ready? Me
So
not
what,
get
you're number
all-
4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, open. Wide. What is that?
Woo!
What's good, huh?
That's yuck. That's like some chicken spread or something. Tuna spread.
Take it off. That's some baby ham and gravy. So what we don't know? What we don't know? We're tying now. Two.
Yeah, but a 4
We're
everything
tying
gonna be
now.
only gone 3.
Whatever. Okay, my turn.
Woo! But a
Guys,
teeth, me know, because I'm
me
getting
not
this
teeth
right.
you. No. You talk about my teeth, you know. Bring it.
Alright, then just go watch the TV, baby. Daddy's me finish, okay?
That sound like I want baby food.
Final answer.
Olive. Olive in What's your name, Olive? Let me tell you why I don't say Olive. Olive, final answer.
Yeah, Olive.
Whew. So olives, it have a little hole at the end. So I'm wiggle it in my mouth. I'm pushing my tongue going out the hole. First we eat olive, you know. Oh my god, no wonder I don't eat olives. Oh my goodness.
You have more or nothing?
One more.
Oh, yeah, one more.
One more to go.
So we're tying now, 2-2.
Off the time, I'm here lead now.
So which one you get the lead? You never get
Me not just get this right.
So
I would have
2-2.
tied. No, 3-2 now.
Oh. You never get this?
Bro.
Right? You never get this?
3-2.
But you never get this, right?
Honey,
Or
you
you
did
get-
just so we tie a while ago.
Yeah.
And now me get this right. So me there 3 now.
The only 2 you get right for me, I think, then. Oats and this. Which other one you get? You not get this right?
Alright, when do I watch about the video? Because
You got mustard right? No, you said it was some kind of
So oh, if it be 2,
a 2-2 middle lead, a 2-1.
then me not just win one.
Which one? You just win olive. Which one you win? You never get baby food. I have my last one.
So
I
just
never-
olive and oats me get.
Yeah. You never get the mustard, you never get baby food. I have one in the bag left.
Okay, whatever.
So, but,
Okay.
so no 2-2.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright.
Wow, your teeth.
Last and final.
I'm here fretting, guys, because I'm afraid the shop know my last one, you know. I should have see if I bang off the last.
What God, me can't even open it. Yeah? It's not hot? Jesus. Me can't open it.
You are perfect.
No.
So I'm open the feeling.
No.
But I'm not going to know what.
I got it. Alright, open your mouth. Wide. Okay.
This is another dip again. We never know the name of the dip them though.
No, you have to get it. It have a taste. And it's not a dip.
That's actually good. It's spicy. No, me don't say dip, but me not gonna know exactly because it.
Alright. You don't get it right then.
Oh.
It's avocado salsa. And I bought this because I figured maybe you would use it. You couldn't taste the avocado in it?
No, it just tastes like a dip, not chips them use it.
No dip, no right pan it. It's an avocado salsa.
A dip.
It's not a dip, and you still need to tell me, just like how when me did get,
No,
which
but
one
you-
of them me do, so I have to tell you what
But
kind
me
of
don't know,
whatever.
like, oh.
Anyways, 3 me there. So what now?
Alright. Come. Where are the blindfold? Alright, guys. Share check out the thing,
Me
guys.
not trick or nothing. Come. Get your stuff.
3 of there?
Yes.
What you for the 3? You count the one that me get wrong.
Huh?
And me get it wrong, I still 2-2, what you for the 3?
How about this one?
I want the share to share lead, because I me get it wrong and share to she the 3.
Then if you get it wrong, then
Then
you
I
give
get-
me the score.
No, you only get a score when you get it right. You don't get a score when you get it wrong.
When I watch it, I'm going to make my calculation.
Well, guys, beer teeth in a going over here.
No, sir. Be careful, brother. It's too much. You ready?
Yeah. Shall I get that one here right now, guys? Because
We should have a little tally and a tally up everything because I can't bother.
no, but you tell me, we have the thing that when we get right, just so you know which one you get right and which one you get wrong.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Open.
This one. Again. Come on, Toya. You can't get a piece more?
No.
What this money did in my mouth?
It did a remote, guys.
Then I'm head.
You got it already, though. Honey, you don't have too much time, you know, because you never
Oh
give me
my
so much
God.
time. You have like 5
Have a
seconds
little
left.
tiny taste.
1,
It did in my head. It can't
2,
come out of my mouth.
3, 4,
Jesus,
5.
save me. Hold on, man.
No. You get it wrong.
What is man?
You
Jesus,
get all the
what
time.
it is, you know?
She gets all the time in the world. Come on, take up the line for
Yeah, this is the man. Wait, let me see it.
the pickled peppers, the
Me not try to say the sweet pepper, that the pepper that we always cook with and Olive Gardens have. What name? Golden Greek
I just pickled peppers.
pickled peppers. Yeah,
Yeah.
I could because it has a nice tangy taste.
And guys, I swear, so she get to that cabinet. So
Man, me
yo,
say.
this actually is something we never buy. This they did in the house already. You see me?
Jesus.
So I say, you know what? Instead of go buy something again, this in the house already. The oats in the house already. So I only got these 3 things. You see me? I say. So it's a draw.
Guys, it looked like it is.
It's a tie. It's a tie.
These are the items that were used. Turn this around. The baby food.
But guys, comment down below if you think she teeth me upon the dip. Me get the dip
No, I'm
right.
not even upon a dip. Just like how you tell me something of a tell her. Which one of them you give me?
The
some
baby
tell her
food, because
which one.
if you never teeth
Yeah,
upon
some
it.
people say some baby food
But-
and you tell me
No,
say,
because your teeth
what
upon the dip.
kind?
If you never teeth upon the dip, but
I
I say,
can't take credit for that then.
me not take the credit for what.
See baby food, come this say what's baby food and you ask
But
me what
that
kind.
after your teeth upon the dip, if you did say,
Yeah.
yeah, if you did say get the dip, but that's how you get that yes, but you said,
Guys, only leave some comments for down below. Yeah.
she a teeth, guys, she a teeth. She teeth upon the dip, but get the dip right. Even that one you dip to right there. That one you dip to, you know, guys.
It says salsa. There's no
Chips and dip.
upon it. It says salsa.
Them eat it with chips. Them dip them chips in it night. But she
No,
she
not
a
to dip,
chicken
not
thing.
it can spread. It can be like a spread.
Well, dip and spread.
No. Salsa, I say. No dip, no dede.
But guys, we hope you enjoy the challenge, you know.
Yes.
I don't really enjoy it, because I don't like them little weird stuff I got in
I
my
know
mouth.
it's kind of weird though, like you put something in your mouth and you have no clue what it is.
For real. So
But it was
guys,
fun though.
just leave us some comments down below.
And it's the first time I'm having olive, so
Yeah, we never want to
I don't
olive
think I'll
neither.
have it again though.
Yeah, trust
Yeah.
me. Leave us some comments. Big up on yourself. And until next time, remember say, Poppy Show love you know. And thumbs up the video now, guys.
Yes, please.
Thumbs up the video,
Thumbs up the
okay?
video, guys. And it makes sense to watch a video if you not. Thumbs up the video. Alright, so I know a lot of you don't log in, man, and watch a video and then thumbs up the video.
Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Alright, bye guys.
Nothing never want to kiss her now with all of them thing there.